Alright, this is going to be the elevator at the Ocean Villas Resort in Nags Head, Outer Banks, North Carolina. Ooh, Dover. Nice. Got a Dover. We got a Dover. Dover traditional. It's a bit rusty too. Lantern doesn't work. Let's get a cab view. Let's look up the shaft. Let's see, G. Can't see when this one was installed. We're going up to 3. Here we are up here. Ooh, PTL Call Station, nice. Go down to G. G is burnout. The phone is broken, the phone box is. It's a cool elevator, and there's some dirt in there. It's a cool elevator, but it's kind of beat up. Runs very nicely though, just like just about any Dover Hydro would. Alright, let's go up to 3. Yeah, clearly this one's from the 1980s. Whoa. Starts up pretty hard. G. The motor on this thing is pretty epic. Three. After I'm done writing this, I'll get some still pictures. Two, I want to look at the call station on 2. Let's get a view here. Dover traditional, regular Dover traditional call station here. And the lantern doesn't work. The one in G. And the button already went out. What the heck? Oh, and it's gonna go. Look, this one actually pushes in. Look at that. I think this one's got an EPCO replacement button. That the up button's broken. This other building doesn't appear to have an elevator. This is, I mean, the elevator is cool, but it needs some help, I hate to say. sketchy. And what the heck, we are going up. It appears that ESCO maintained this thing. Alright, and anyways, there it goes. That's it.